Hello and welcome to a video from filmsbychris.com. That's Chris with a K. I'm Chris with a K. Today we're going to be looking at cleaning up some of your log files. So a Linux system does a real good job of keeping logs of stuff that happens on your system, which can come in really handy, but can also take up some space. Let's look at this command. We got journalctl here. Journalctl, so journal control, I would assume that stands for. Let's go ahead and give it the option of disk usage. So --disk usage. It's going to give me this message here. It's going to tell me that there's currently 583 megabytes, but it's also telling me that we're missing some stuff. Let's run that same command and run sudo. I've recently typed in my password, so it's not going to ask me for it again. Normally it would ask you for your password. But you can see I have almost 4 gigs worth of journals, of logs on my Linux system. Which isn't too bad on my current system, because again, I have like a terabyte here on my desktop. But my Films by Chris server that I run my website on is only a 25 gig server. And I've been very close to that limit for a long time, so I have to keep things cleared out. And lately I've had 2 to 3 gigs worth of space, but every 2 weeks or so I have a little script that checks and makes sure that it doesn't get full. If it gets under a gig of free space, I get a message to my phone. And so every, like I said, week and a half, 2 weeks, I get that message. And I just reboot the server and it clears out temporary files. But I was looking for ways to clear out. And so when you only have 25 gigs, like something like 4 gigs is a lot. And I think when I ran this on my server, it was, over 3 gigs or around 3 gigs worth of space. So let's go ahead and clear that out. So what we could do is we can use that same command, but this time we're going to give it the vacuum-time equals 2 weeks. This will clear out anything older than 2 weeks. So right now I have 4 gigs worth of log files, and then I'm going to run that. I get all this output, and then we freed up 3.3 gigs worth of stuff. So let's go ahead and run this disk usage command again, and you can see now I'm only using 620 megs. Now we can set a limit here. We can run something like this. We can do sudo, we can use that journal control command, vacuum-size, and we can limit the size of our logs to 500 megabytes. I'm not going to do that on my local system, but I ran that on my Films by Chris system. After I ran this on my Films by Chris system, it actually brought it down to like 120 some megabytes of logs, and then I set the max to 500 megabytes. I do want some good logs on my web server, obviously, so I could always limit that more later. But if you especially are on a limited system or just looking to clear things out, this is a great way to clear out some logs that are older, which, if you have ongoing problems, you may want longer logs, but usually if you're having issues, 2 weeks or at least a couple hundred megabytes should be enough. Do whatever works for your system, but I thought you might find this useful. Hopefully I'll get less of those messages to clear out space on my Films by Chris server. Anyway, if you enjoy Films by Chris, think about liking, sharing, subscribing, supporting me over on Patreon. The cost of running a website isn't very much, but that's only because I keep a minimal system there. Maybe I can always upgrade it if I get more supporters like you. So thank you for watching. As always, I hope that you have a great day.